What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. You know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. Today we got a 2018 Kia Optima, and I'm gonna show you how to take out these front and rear door speakers. We're gonna take the panels off, swap the speakers out, all that good stuff. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, please consider subscribing. These are the type of things we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, anything car audio install related. That's what this channel is about. So first thing we want to do, pop this triangle part open. Alright, that's the first thing. Alright, next we'll come down here to the little pocket and just remove that little rubber piece. It's going to reveal a Phillips head screw right there. Next, you have this little thing right here that we're going to have to take out. So we just... Alright, I had to stick it in the back part right here and push that thing forward, and that's going to reveal that Phillip right there. So these are the only two screws holding the door panel in. Let's take these out. Alright, so what we're going to do is take our panel removal tool, come across the back side, and see if we can't pop that first clip. Yep, that's one right there. That's two. Now I should be able to get my hand up under here. Yeah, and all of them follow suit after that. Everything follows suit after that. Now that we have the clips up, put my hand right here, lift up, and then I want you to turn this light on, come to the back. I want you to press this in, and it's gonna release that right there. After you have that release, we're gonna go down here, take this harness out, and that's just pressing on this little tab right here. We also have one more harness right here on the driver door, and that is it as far as that. Now we have this harness that we're going to take out for the speaker, and yes, we do have our speaker harnesses, so we don't have to worry about seeing what's positive and what's negative. 4 screws. Alright, so now that we have all those screws out, we're just going to go ahead and take this speaker out, and that is it. Now, depending on your aftermarket speaker, you may or may not need the spacers. With these speakers that the client bought, these are some Kenwood, just kind of like entry-level speakers, and it's kind of shallow, which means that it doesn't have a whole lot of depth to actually mount it. So I can actually mount it right here, and that'll be good. Now, every time I do my doors, you see I have the window all the way down. That way, when I mount my speaker, I can tell whether I'm going to be hitting the window, hitting the tray, or whatever. Now, the speaker brackets that you need are the Metra 824300, if I'm not mistaken. I have those links in the description for you. But with these Kenwoods, we're not going to need that. The only thing we're going to need is our speaker harness. That way we don't have to guess what's positive and what's negative. It's going to take all the guesswork out for us, and they click on just like that. We're going to have our positive and our negative, hook it up to the speaker, and this little notch right here, I'm going to use that to mount my speaker like this. So let's go ahead and get that done. All right, so you see we have that mounted, positive, positive, negative to negative, and now we are able to put that right here. I'm going to put my 4 screws in, so give me a second, I need 2 hands. All right, so now we have that thing mounted. Let's go ahead and get to that back speaker. So the good thing about doing door panels and why they're so easy to me is that once you know how to do one, you know how to do all of them. So just like the front, we're just gonna pop that piece up, dang, and we got that screw back here, and then you know we got to get behind that panel. There's another screw back there. All right, 2 screws, take them out. Now that we have those screws out, take our door panel removal tool little situation. See if we can pop. Yep, pop us a clip. Now that we got some clips popped, see if I can't just use my hand. Yep. Yep. Pop, pop, poppy. All right, same thing. All the clips are popped. We just want to lift it up, come back here, press that tab in. It's going to release that part, and you only have 1 harness back here in the back. Second door panel off, take that harness. Take that out. 4 screws. And you take the screws out, got the speaker, put that down right there. Now, this one's going to be a tad bit different, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because this one actually has a small little grommet right here. So what I actually want to do, and this is for my guys who are a little bit OCD and want to look a little bit clean, we're gonna take our knife and I'm gonna cut a small little slit right here. And that's gonna be just enough for this to kind of poke through that little grommet, and then I can grab it from the back side right here, and then now that's going to go to my speaker. I can take my harness, go ahead and plug it in, and then I can throw a zip tie right here, and that looks clean. And now I have my speaker wire to mount my speaker for my speaker. All right, guys, positive and negative is onto the speaker. We're gonna go ahead and mount this with 4 screws. Like I said, this speaker is a little bit shallow. So y'all see we have that zip tied up, looking real clean. All right, y'all, so that's about it, man. If you guys found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Product links will be in the description. Patreon links will be in the description if you want to be a furthermore supporter. And these are some cheap entry-level Kenwoods. They sound okay. I'll have some higher quality suggested speakers. They are 6.5s, and they'll be down there in the description below. So till next time, this is your boy JP signing out, man. I hope everybody has a blessed day.